So my dog is getting to be a little bit older and having a harder time jumping into our SUV. So it is a little bit high. He needs a little help. So I was really excited to find these stairs that you can put in your car, and they fold up so you can store them in your car all the time, but they're perfect for big dogs. They unfold, they have this nice anti-slip grip. Look at all those cute paw prints. Those are also anti-slip, so the dog's not going to slip on them. It's a completely adjustable stairs, and it will hold up to 150 pounds, so it's great for big dogs. So I'm going to unfold them and set them up and show you how they work. So the stairs do come with some instructions just about how the size works and how you want to have those straps at the bottom, which I'll show you. It does also have a harness and a tether, so you have that safety right there. And it's made of stainless steel that gives dogs extra protection. You're not going to have to worry about these breaking. And I absolutely love that it does have these bumpers right here, so if they happen to hit your car, you don't have to worry about your car getting scratched or anything. Here is that tether clip that I was just mentioning, so you can just clip that right onto anything, tighten it up, and then you don't have to worry about the stairs falling down when your dog is walking. These are also anti-slip, so they're going to really stay in place while your dog walks up. And look at these stairs. How easy was that? All I had to do was just unfold them, and it's the perfect stairs for your pet to jump inside your car. So look at that. And again, they angle at all different directions like the picture showed, and you can adjust them to fit your car. Whatever size car you have, they will work. So you want to have these straps that hang down on the bottom. Those again help with safety and help keep them really, really sturdy. And they are important to go on the bottom. Also, just when you open the stairs, you'll see that you need those straps on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and get my dog and see if he likes them. So I had brought my dog out to check out the stairs, and he definitely was interested, sniffing them. He didn't want to go in the car, but I think it's just because it wasn't time for us to go for a ride. But I tested them out, and these are going to work amazing. I definitely love them.